Hi guys. So I know it has been a long time, but now we are back, and today we are going to talk about online schooling and how this pandemic has affected us and how it compares to traditional school and everything. So firstly, I guess we are now so much habituated to online schooling that we can't really go back to the normal traditional schools like right now because we are now comfortable with online schooling. It gives us so much more time also, and it's so much more chill. Now we think about it, when we used to go to school, we would have to wake up at around 6, and we would have to remain at school till 4 o'clock, even if we have some work to do or not. It's just that we need to stay there, and we need to go there and come back. Now if we think about it, it's just so much of time wasted. So according to me, what I wish for is, maybe I like to go back to school and meet all my friends and everybody, but not for the rest of the year, only for 1 month or 1 week or something. That's cool.
Though online school has advantages, as you said, but according to me, it is not useful.
I mean, when we are in classroom, we have, it's ingrained in our minds that we are at school, we need to study, but at home we have a different concept. Till now we would be at home, chilling, using mobile phones, doing other stuff, and it's that thing which we have in our mind still. So even if I am doing my online classes, I'll be using my mobile. I don't want to, but it just automatically happens that the class is going on and I'm using my mobile side by side, even though I try so much to focus, but it just happens that way. Do you understand?
Yeah, I do. I mean, once the notification pops up and you are there, and then you are scrolling Instagram. It's been hours. You don't know what the teacher is teaching. Your mind is not present over there. So
So online schooling it's definitely more flexible, but the learning which we do in online schooling is so much more less than what traditional schools did. And also, the thing which teachers now say, the major problem of online schooling is that about cheating, which teachers go on saying that it's the learning which matters and not the marks. But you know how the education system works? I think so much more emphasis is given on marks, that's just how we are ingrained. It's ingrained in our minds. People say, do it for learning, don't do it for marks and everything. But how is it even possible? I think cheating is just, in online schooling, that will happen. Whoever may say whatever about learning and everything, I just don't think it's feasible. And one more, the major problem in online schooling which I face, you know what that is? About anxiety. So I'm sitting in front of the laptop, but I just can't bring myself to unmute the mic and say in front of the class. It's not that I'm scared. I know everybody in my class and I even know the teachers, but it's just that I can't bring myself to unmute myself, even though, and even the camera, switching on the camera, it just seems tiresome that I just don't want to do it or something. It's not fear of something. I mean, I don't know. I'm not afraid of something or anybody. It's just I don't want to. I don't want to unmute. It's just I feel no, I'm comfortable like this. That's it. But I guess that's what people say, right? To come out of your comfort zone and do things, because you know how the saying goes, comfort zone is a very comfortable place, but nothing ever grows there. So I make this resolution today that I'll try to speak up more in class, and I think you should do it too. And I think this is a general problem which many of my friends also face. There's some people who go on talking to the teachers and everybody, but those are one or two people. The major problem in online classes is that people don't speak. The teachers will go on speaking and speaking and speaking, but the students will not respond, and it's a situation which is like that. The teachers are also trying, but what can we even do? This corona thing is just messing up everything. So we have completed an entire academic year online. I don't even think that I studied that properly, but this is what the situation is, and we can't blame the situation because it is there for everybody. So we just have to adjust to it, and Online schooling is not that bad also. It has definitely got its benefit. So yeah, that's it. We have to deal with what it is. And on that note, we end today's episode. Thank you, Toodles. See you in the next episode.